What's up, familia? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jessica, and this is my series on Instant Pot basics. This series will focus on teaching you how to make very basic and essential things in your Instant Pot. I'm going to leave a link below on all the different basic recipes we've already done, but today we're doing Instant Pot sweet potatoes. This is such an essential recipe. If you meal prep, or even if you just love sweet potatoes or just need a quick, easy meal, this is so simple, and this is so kind of like hassle-free. It's nice, and you get the perfect sweet potato each time. I love sweet potatoes. They're so good. So let's just get started with this video. First thing, we wash the sweet potatoes really well using a brush. I'm using medium-sized sweet potatoes today. The size of the sweet potatoes is important because that's how you can tell how long you're going to cook them for. You can use this recipe for other types of potatoes as well, and even combine all different types of potatoes in the pot. What matters is to keep them all in similar sizes so that they all cook through evenly. We're also going to use this trivet that comes with the Instant Pot to help elevate the sweet potatoes. Place a trivet inside the Instant Pot. Now place your sweet potatoes on top of the trivet. I'm making 3, but you can cook as many as you'd like. You can even fill the whole pot in sweet potatoes if you want. There is no need to poke holes into the skin. We're going to add 1 cup of water. Now close and lock your lid and make sure to turn the valve to sealing. This will enclose the pressure. Press pressure cook, and for medium-sized sweet potatoes, we're going to cook on high pressure for 15 to 18 minutes. I like my sweet potatoes on the softer side, but they cook through in just 15 minutes. When it's done, we're going to let all the pressure release naturally. Open the lid carefully, and we're done. These sweet potatoes are cooked to perfection, and my favorite part, without worry or stress. They're not dry at all, like cooking them in the microwave, and they're not soggy, like boiling them on stovetop. These sweet potatoes are great for mashed sweet potatoes, or sweet potato casserole, or even just on their own. I love adding some barbecue chicken or fajitas on top for a quick stuffed sweet potato meal. The absolute favorite in my house. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope it inspires you to create even more things in your Instant Pot. I love using these sweet potatoes to make like stuffed sweet potato with like barbecue chicken, some barbecue on top. So good. But I want to know what you all think. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you're going to use this recipe, or have you tried it? I'd love to know. And subscribe if you want to, of course. I would personally love to have you part of this growing family I have here on YouTube. It means so much, so thank you all. And leave me a like. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Until the next one, ciao. Time to eat these potatoes.